Sustainable products, a guide to eco-friendly choices. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an important and relevant topic: sustainable products. Understanding this concept is not only beneficial for improving your English but also for making informed decisions that positively impact our planet. Let's dive into what sustainable products are and why they're important for us and future generations. Sustainable products are goods that are designed, manufactured, and distributed in a way that minimizes their environmental impact. They aim to preserve natural resources, reduce carbon footprint, and promote the well-being of the environment and society. Unlike conventional products, sustainable ones are produced with considerations for long-term ecological balance and resource efficiency. Key characteristics of sustainable products include low environmental impact. They are made using processes and materials that reduce harm to the environment. Resource efficiency. These products use renewable resources or recycled materials to minimize depletion of natural resources. Longevity and durability. Designed to last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements and waste generation. Ethical production. Manufactured through fair labor practices and in ways that do not exploit workers or communities. The importance of sustainable products cannot be overstated. They play a crucial role in addressing some of the most pressing environmental challenges, such as climate change, pollution, and resource depletion. By choosing sustainable products, we contribute to reducing waste and pollution, minimizing the amount of waste sent to landfills and reducing pollution levels in air, water, and soil, conserving resources. Using products made from renewable resources or recycled materials helps conserve finite natural resources. Promoting ethical practices, supporting companies that adhere to ethical labor practices and contribute positively to local communities. Ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. Making sustainable choices helps ensure that future generations inherit a healthier, more stable planet. Identifying sustainable products can sometimes be challenging, but there are a few tips to help you make informed choices. Look for certifications and labels. Certifications like Fair Trade, Organic, Rainforest Alliance, and Energy Star indicate products meet certain environmental or ethical standards. Research the company's practices. Learn about the manufacturer's environmental policies, production processes, and corporate social responsibility initiatives. Consider the product's life cycle. Think about how the product was made, how it will be used, and what will happen to it at the end of its life. Thank you for joining us to learn about sustainable products. Remember, every small choice towards sustainability makes a big difference in protecting our planet. By being mindful of the products we choose, we can contribute to a healthier environment and a better world for everyone. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to make more sustainable choices in your daily life. See you in the next video.